favors Brock Lesnar. But CM Punk is the longest reigning WWE champion in the modern era. If anybody can take on the beast, it's CM Punk. He's just got to survive.
Listen to this,
He's got to survive this initial onslaught by Brock Lesnar.
17,739 on their feet in the Staples Center. Heyman looking on.
Yeah, it's sick smile on the face of the walrus.
Hey, Ken, you mentioned during the